And this is how my adventure ends, no?
Da, mami?
Da, era mami, no? So, good times, no? Okay, so it's the following morning. I think it's 9, 10 a.m. I woke up around 8. I had breakfast. I unpacked everything. Uh, yeah, I put all my documents in order. I think I'm gonna have to call the insurance company, see what they say. If I can claim anything or I don't know. The hospital in Austria said they were going to bill me and that I have to take the bill to the insurance company. So I don't know if I'm going to wait for that or if I'm going to just call them now, see what they have to say. So yeah. Yesterday was really tiring. Yesterday, yeah. I think it was a 14 hour car ride back home. We put the motorcycle on the flatbed and just drove back. It was brutal. But then stop. We only stopped for like 5 minutes uh, every 3 or 4 hours. Just to use the bathroom and nothing else. We ate in the car. We made sandwiches and we ate on the go. So yeah, I'm home. I can't believe I'm home. Thank God. Yeah. It was raining all the way back. It was really cold. I don't know how I would have made it back if my brother wouldn't have come to get me. I would have probably, I don't know, maybe I would have crashed again. Who knows? It was really windy. Really windy. Really, really just horrible weather. It's October and it's already snowing up in the mountains here. So, I don't know, I feel like it's going to snow here any day now too. It's a really early winter. So yeah, the trip, now that I think about it, wasn't very well planned out. Planned out. Didn't. It was pretty stupid of me to try this. Should have probably left like 1 or 2 months earlier. Like I said, my brother had his wedding and that's why I didn't leave. I waited for him to get married. You know, then I left. Then I'd have left. But circumstances were such that I couldn't leave right after the wedding. I left like 2 or 3 weeks after the wedding. Probably should have left immediately after, but I wasn't ready. I didn't feel ready. I didn't know if I was going to do it. But now that it's over, it's over. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm yeah, I'm not gonna finish that thought just because. Okay, so things I've learned. If you have to ride in bad weather, don't don't go on the highway. Especially if it's raining, don't ride in the rain. If it's like heavy rain, if it's light rain, you can ride, but you have to be careful. If it's heavy rain, don't ever ride in heavy rain. I'm a beginner. I didn't know that, but I don't know. Especially on the highway, don't ride on the highway. It's raining heavily. That was just stupid of me. I was asking for it, and it happened. Uh, Yeah, fortunately I didn't get hurt that badly. The motorcycle isn't wrecked. It's fixable. My ribs still hurt a little though when I lie down and if I breathe in really deep. Other than that, I'm alright. Hopefully my ribs will stop hurting eventually. Uh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was thinking about for the future. I was thinking about booking a flight to Dublin and going back to Dublin because I already have all the paperwork sorted out there. I've been to that city. I know the city. I know what to do. What I have to do. Book a hostel and find a place to stay. Then search for a job. The UK, I don't know. Maybe I'll try to go to UK. Maybe not. Probably not. Just try and find a job in Dublin. If I can't find a job in Dublin, I'll move to another city. I don't know. Cork, Galway. If Ireland doesn't work, I'll try and go to Great Britain. And, well, this is the end of the vlog for now. I don't know if I'll vlog anymore after this. But this is the end. Yeah. Bye. Goodbye.